This is your second stimulus check update and your stimulus package update as of Tuesday, August 4th. The Republicans and Democrats continue to fight over the next stimulus package, and the finger pointing on who's to blame for the lack of progress between those two parties is in full force. The Democrats are saying that this is a once-in-a-century pandemic and that it's disappointing that the Republicans are looking to cut off support to the American people during a health and economic crisis. The Republicans do not have their priorities straight, and they are the ones that are playing games here. They are trying to jerk around the American people. The Democrats also continue to reject any short-term extensions to unemployment benefits because they want to pass one big bill. They are criticizing the Republicans for wanting to reduce unemployment benefits while trying to give more tax breaks for businesses to take business lunches and business dinners. The White House, on the other hand, is blaming the Democrats for not wanting to do a separate standalone bill to extend the unemployment benefits. Chief of Staff Mark Meadows said what we are seeing here is politics as usual from the Democrats. Meadows seems to think that the Democrats believe that they have all the cards on their side, and they are willing to play those cards at the expense of those who are hurting. Meadows went on to say, if you have unemployed people that have lost their unemployment benefits, they need to call their Democrats senators and House members because Democrats are the ones standing in the way. The White House Chief of Staff did also say that progress is being made and they are stepping in the right direction. However, the negotiations between the Republicans and Democrats are still not going so well, and thus he is not optimistic there will be a solution in the very near term for the next stimulus package. As of right now, both the Democrats and Republicans want to extend unemployment benefits, but they are fighting over how much that should be for and how long those unemployment benefits should last for. The Democrats want to extend the unemployment benefits for $600 a week until January 2021. The Republicans, on the other hand, are saying that's too much, and they are offering the extension to be for $200 a week. The Republicans are saying that if we continue the unemployment benefits for $600 a week, then it will go against the Republican theme of the next stimulus package of promoting jobs and getting people back to work.